Hello, options trader Steve Gans here, and I want to do something a little bit different today, and that is take a look at the home screen here on OptionStrat. So, this is something that most of us don't often do. We come to the platform, we go into our account, our saved trades, etc. But there's a lot of value here right on this opening page, on this home page. Now, I've done some detailed tutorials and you should certainly check those out. But more even than those is right on this home page. Did you know that you have over 50 pre-made strategies built right in? This is excellent for people looking to learn different options trades. If you hear somebody say something like an iron condor or a cash secured put, you can come in, select that particular trade and see how this trade evolves over time by moving the date slider, see how implied volatility impacts or affects this trade. And again, you can do that through over 30 different trades. Great way to learn and understand. It also gives you a description of the trade. What is a bull call spread? And what are its key characteristics? Well, it's bullish in nature. It has limited profit potential and limited loss potential. Now, other trades that you might see might have unlimited profit potential and a limited loss potential. So, this is a great way to just get a good sense of the different types of trades. You can also look by sentiment. Let's say you're bullish in nature. Well, here's an entire series of strictly bullish trades. And as you learn these P&L diagrams, you'll quickly understand that when you have a flat line here, you will realize that that is a limited loss situation, or other people call it defined risk. When you have something that looks like this and it never flattens out, well, you're going to have unlimited loss potential there, or you can lose the entire amount of your investment. So that's a quick way of looking at that. And then you can, again, go through all 30 different strategies based on whether you're bullish, bearish, etc. So a great tool for helping to just understand all of the different possibilities that options trading brings to you. And again, you can see all that just by clicking on those pre-made strategies. You can also optimize an idea. So let's just say, for example, that I want to do a trade in Apple and I am neutral on Apple right now. In other words, I think Apple's likely to be range bound for a period of time and maybe around its current price of $300. And maybe I don't want to risk more than $100 in a trade. So if I'm neutral, I can click neutral and it will show me a good trade concept to consider that meets those criteria. Now, of course, this is not saying that OptionStrat is recommending this specific trade over other trades. What it is doing is it's telling you specifically that given your parameters, given your belief that Apple is going to stay in that $300 price range or so, and that you don't think it's going to wander too much one side or the other, in other words, you're fairly neutral on it, that this might be a good trade to model up and consider. We can also see that anytime we're going on a page, we have a daily tip up here. Now you can turn that off, but this is pretty valuable. It pops up different ideas and different concepts on the platform for you to look at each day. So let's go back here to the home page. We can also view options flow. So what is flow? Now this does require a little bit higher level of service, but if we're looking at flow, we can look at things like live flow. In other words, where is the big money flowing at any given time? We can see this includes the futures markets as well as stock. Now I'm doing this here on a Sunday, so most of this is going to be futures because they trade over the weekends, etc. But it's not going to include stock right now because there's not stock trades happening. During the open market, much of this would be options on stock. We can look at historical flow. So I can come in and I can look at specific symbols to see flow in specific symbols. I can see news flow. I can see congressional flow. In other words, who is buying what of our lawmakers. So I'm not going to get into conspiracy theory here, but it does seem that many of our Congress people and senators, etc., do extremely well in the stock market, in the options market. And is that because they might know some things happening that maybe the rest of us might not know before they tend to happen? Things such as wars, invasions, certain companies being hired to build certain rockets or jets or whatever the case might be. I don't know, maybe. I'll leave that up to you to determine. But at the end of the day, we can see right here all of our government officials and who is buying or selling what. So that could be some great information. Then insider flow is who on the inside of a company is buying or selling their own stock. Now, I will tell you that the selling of stock isn't a big trigger for me personally because people will sell a company stock for lots and lots of reasons. Maybe they just have too much of it, they need to balance out a portfolio. Maybe they received a whole bunch of shares through some sort of stock options program, and they're just liquidating some of it to diversify a little bit. Maybe they're going through a divorce. Maybe they're going to build a new house. Maybe they're buying a new private jet for themselves. Who the heck knows? But they really only buy for one reason. They buy because they think that they know what's going to happen in the future of their company, and they want to be part of that. They want to scale up their investment in their own company. Now, I don't know what this company is. I'm not recommending it, but it's pretty interesting that this Ion Q, we can see all the details here as to exactly when some trades took place. And apparently this person is buying a fair amount of their IONQ stock. So they are bullish on their own internal stock. Maybe that's something I should look a little bit deeper into, and maybe I should consider a bullish position in that myself, going in and analyzing that. So that's not the purpose of today's video. Today's video is just to show you all of the tools that are right there on the home page of OptionStrat when you log in. And of course, these are those same 30 different trades that you can potentially consider broken out by what type of trade they are: credit spread, directional spreads, etc. So I hope you found this video interesting. If you're like me, I come into this thing on a daily basis and I go right past that front page. And this morning when I opened it up, somehow it just caught my attention. It's like, you know what? There is a lot of stuff here that we as users, some of us free users, quite frankly, and we might not have all of this information if we're a free user, but subscribers have access to a massive amount of information here. So particularly if you're newer to options trading, just spend some time on that home page. There is a wealth of information there. So that's it for now. Hope you found this useful. Take care, everyone.